Okay, now we'll discuss about stateful DHCPv6 server in router R2. Okay, the same topology. We are going to configure stateful DHCPv6 configuration in R2 router, and we want to get the IP address in IPv6 address in PC3. Okay, so the description is here the router R2 is configured as DHCP server, and it will assign IPv6 address to all the clients, and along with the IP it will assign DNS server, default gateway and domain name to the clients. Okay, this is what stateful. He will give the server DHCP server configured in router will give everything IPv6 address, then DNS server, domain name, gateway, everything. Okay, so there are how many steps over there? Four steps. Okay, first one, as you know, in DHCP v4 also we want to create a pool from where we are getting the IP address, mask, gateway, everything. No? So here also we have to create a pool. So I put the pool name TVM Trivandrum. Okay. So first you have to open the topology. So go to R2. I'll go to enable config. Okay. Now I want to create a pool. So let's see the command IPv6 DHCP pool TVM. Okay. Any name you can give. You can give Oman, Salala, whatever. Okay, just I give this my IPv6 DHCP pool TVM. Okay, the TVM is the DHCP pool. Then we need to assign an address prefix network part. Okay, so this is assign address prefix as 2001 DB8 colon DB8 colon ACAD colon 1234 colon slash 64. That means this 64 bit is network part. The host part is not mentioned there. Okay, just the network part they're asking. Then 64 is prefix. Okay, just I will copy this one. Then I have to add the command address prefix and just paste the address part. Done. After that, assign DNS server. What I will do, the first IP in this network, okay, 2001 DB8 ACAD 1234 colon 1. This I will assign as DNS server. You know, every network needs DNS. No? So I'll configure this as a DNS server. So DNS server, you can use tab key, paste this one, done. Next, domain name is kerala.com. So I have to assign domain name. So as I'm from Kerala, I put kerala.com. Okay, you can put your own name. Okay, so I put domain name kerala.com. So I'll put here domain name kerala.com. Okay, after that, step 2. So what step 1, what we did is create a pool, assign the network part, assign the DNS part, domain name, like you do in the DHCP v4, right? DHCP pool will be there, the network part will be there, you know, the IP DHCP pool, network part, then we have DNS part, then domain name. Same thing, but the values are different, that's all. Okay. Instead of network, we put address prefix. DNS server is same, domain name also same. Here instead of IP DHCP pool, I put IPv6 DHCP pool. If you know DHCP4, you can easily write DHCPv6 pool also. Okay. Now step 2, configure IPv6 address for interface FA0 bar 0, which is connected to your PC3. Okay. Then set the link local address first, then global unicast address, then enable the interface. Okay. So I'll open first this router FA0 bar 0 is connected to PC3, so I have to configure this interface. Okay, so I'll go here. Now what I will do, I'm already okay. I have to go back interface FA0/0. Now I want to first set the link local. Okay, so IPv6 address FE80 colon 1. That's what given, right? Let me check. FE80 colon 1. Yes, then mention it as link local. Link local. Okay, you can use the tab key to get the full command. No need for you to type the full command. Okay, after that, configure IPv6 address for this interface. This is the link local. Okay, now next one is the global unicast address. Okay, so what is the global unicast address? This one 2000 db8 acd 1234 colon 1, same as DNS server IP. Okay, the same IP we can configure DNS also, same for interface FSR browser. So I'll put IPv6 address, paste, done. Then enable it, no shit, done. So second step is just configure the IPv6 address for the interface connecting towards the client, then set the link local address, then enable it or no shut. Now we want to activate the stateful DHCP v6 on interface FA0 router and bind it to DHCP port created. Okay, so we want to make sure that this interface, no, this is the one which is going to assign or help IPv6 address to be assigned for computers, and you have to bind the DHCP pool to this interface. Okay, so what's the command for that one? See, IPv6 DHCP server, okay, and TVM, the pool name. In which interface? Same interface which is connected to that PC. So same interface I am in. See, interface FS server, I didn't come out, already there. So IPv6 DHCP server, that's the one which is assigning IP address, okay, from that interface, okay. Then pool name already created. No, why we are calling pool name? Because from that pool only we are getting IP address, mask, everything. DNS server, default gateway, domain name, everything. Put like this. After that, we want to inform the host that you want to, or you are being asked to get the IP address from DHCP. Okay, no need for you to manually configure IP. The router we configure DHCP server through FA0 you will get IP address. So for informing the host use DHCP, we want to use this command IPv6 ND neighbor discovery manage config flag. Okay, just copy this code or command, go here in R2 in the same interface. I'll put this one. Okay, so what happened here? I think I copied that hash also. So I will type here IPv6 neighbor discovery managed like this. Okay, now save the file, do WR exit. Now what's next is go to the see dynamic disk IPv6 address default gateway DNS server PC3. Go to the client machine. Now same what we did last time. Go to IP configuration. Only link local there. Now we have to make sure IPv6 they will get the automatically receive the IP address from the router R2. So automatic. See, Rexer successful, IPv6 was successful. 2001 DB8 ACAD 123 this was the network part. The remaining host part it got from the DHCP pool. Default gateway also there. There's link local address and DNS are also there. So this is how we get the IP address for stateful DHCP v6 in router. Hope you understood. Okay. Thanks for